Hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We're diving deep into the future growth prospects of AMD, one of the most dynamic companies in the tech industry. We'll be examining analyst estimates for AMD's revenue and earnings per share growth over the next few years. But that's not all. I'll also be giving AMD a buy, sell, or hold rating based on these numbers, and I'll share my thoughts on a fair price to earnings multiple for the stock. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more videos like this. Feel free to comment below on which stock you'd like me to analyze next. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about revenue growth. Analysts are forecasting that AMD's revenue will soar to an impressive $50 billion by 2028. This translates to an average annual growth rate of 15.5%. That's some serious growth potential. Next, let's look at earnings per share. Analysts expect AMD's EPS to hit $10.89 in 2028, which represents a staggering annual growth rate of 57%. With numbers like these, it's clear that AMD is on a rapid growth trajectory. Now, let's talk about the stock price. AMD's stock is currently trading at $140. If you buy the stock today, you're paying a PE multiple of 13 based on the 2028 earnings estimates. In my opinion, that's a bargain for a company with such strong growth prospects. I believe a more reasonable PE multiple for AMD in 2028 would be around 25. So, if we take the projected EPS of $10.89 and multiply it by 25, we get a potential stock price of $272. This means we could see a return of 94% if these assumptions hold true. That's a compounded annual growth rate of 14%. Based on today's expectations, I would rate AMD as a buy. However, please remember that I do not own shares of AMD at the moment. Always do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. This video is for inspiration only and should not be taken as investment advice. Let me know in the comments if you own shares of AMD or if you're planning to buy. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.